This is an emergency broadcast warning. Please pay attention, as the following instructions will be vital for your safety. An unidentified virus strain has been detected in the skies above Kamera. This virus is being known as OBrienvirus. OBrienvirus is a viral infection that causes the human skin to have a greenish glow. The eyes will turn blood red, and there will be white foam coming out of the infected person's mouth. It has been noted that most people with the infection have blisters on their skin that will begin to pus if you poke a hole in it. The infected individuals that have OBrienvirus have been known for vomiting black fluids out of their mouth. A black, thick liquid out of their mouth. It is unknown what the substance is, but it is confirmed to have something to do with the virus. It has also been noted that infected individuals have a high fever, well beyond 100. At this time, the source of the virus is unknown, although we can confirm that the virus is contagious. As of now, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has issued a contagious disease warning. At this time, we are confirming that the virus is airborne. So at this point, the Centers for Disease Control is asking that all residents of Kamera close and lock all doors and windows, cover all cracks and holes in their house with damp towels, turn off all heating and air conditioning, and always stay up to date with the news. Gather bottled water, non-perishable foods, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, and some weapons for your stay at the shelter. If you believe that you or anyone you know is infected, then please call the Centers for Disease Control immediately. The sooner you act, the safer it will be. OBrienvirus has been known to spread really quickly through the body. It can also rewire the brain, causing confusion and unexplained rages of fit, which means the victims may become violent. It has been noted that there are blisters on the skin that leak pus, indicating that this is a really bad virus. The body will continue to function properly. However, it is still a terrifying virus. Now, I'm going to repeat the symptoms. So, if you are infected with OBrienvirus, your skin will turn green, your eyes will turn blood red, and you will have an extremely high fever, which can lead to confusion and aggressiveness and physical aggression, and the victims will most likely end up vomiting out a thick black liquid substance out of their mouth. At this time, it is confirmed that OBrienvirus is contagious, and there is currently no cure for the virus, and we currently have no idea what caused it. However, you best believe that our government officials and our pandemic teams are searching for the source of this virus as we speak. In the meantime, please stay away from all infected individuals, as they will likely pass it around. You have to stay at least 25 feet away from an infected individual. OBrienvirus is deadly. Patient 0 passed away from after having the virus for about 2 weeks. At this time, it is confirmed that the virus was the cause of death. Now stay tuned for further information.